When you think of gaming on the go, tablets usually don't top the list. But at GamesCom 2025, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra unexpectedly stole the show. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your hub of tech and gaming news. At first glance, it appeared as just another oversized tablet. That was until someone played Genshin Impact on it. The visuals on the 14.6-inch AMOLED display were stunning. Zero lag, no stutters, no frame drops. The game ran like butter, all powered by the new MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chip and a generous 16GB of RAM. It's not even a dedicated gaming tablet, but it sure plays like one. What really sets it apart? Its size and slimness. At just 5.4mm thick and weighing 718 grams, it's sleeker than any handheld gaming PC out there. It slides into a bag easily and doesn't feel like you're lugging around a brick, which gives it a big win for portability. Controls are the only drawback. You're stuck with touch unless you pair it with a gaming controller or a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. But once you do, you've basically got a high-powered, ultra-portable gaming laptop. But here's a pickle. Its battery life is 9 hours for standard use, likely less with intensive gaming, but that still outlasts many gaming handhelds. After years of overlooking tablets as gaming devices, this one clearly made its presence. If you're chasing performance, portability, and versatility in one device, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra might just be the best thing to happen to mobile gaming since the Steam Deck. What do you think about this? Tell us in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Press the bell icon for more tech updates.